박도영, 박도환. We are from Gangbuk Middle School.
These days, sustainability emerges as an important value. It is divided into many parts, such as environment, culture, education, society, digital, and economy. Among these today, we'll talk about sustainability in digital, which has the most impact on future society.
And these are what we are going to talk about from now on. First, what is media literacy? Second, the advantage and weakness of it. Lastly, the way to improve media literacy.
Before the entering main topic, I'll give you some pictures. A, B, C, D. Which one of this picture is real person? Choose one thing in your mind.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is C. Picture C shows the real person. Then what about others? They were created by AI, showing how technology can change the reality.
Have you ever heard the phrase, a flood of information? In the 21st century, we live in a world where we can't live without media. Every day, so much information comes to us, from internet, social media, news, and more. And this will only increase in the future. But as AI technology becomes stronger, it is easier to create fake information. At the same time, it is harder to find out what is true. One way to protect ourselves from this problem is learning media literacy. Media literacy means the ability to understand and judge information we get from digital media like news, advertisements, social media, and videos. Media literacy helps us think from different points of view. It teaches us not only to believe just one information, but also look at many sides and compare them.
Moreover, media literacy makes us think logically. It tells us not just accept information from media, but to analyze its meaning and organize our own thoughts. In this way, media literacy helps us to become people who can think and express ourselves, not just consumers of information. As a result, we can find the truth more easily and avoid fake news.
However, media literacy has a little danger. It can affect how we see ourselves and others. If we don't have enough skill, we might have wrong decisions or have biased thoughts. Most people trying to bring a conclusion urgently. This overdoubt can harm trust between people, which is important for sustaining human identity in society. So, we need to use media literacy in the right way. Then, how can we improve our media literacy skills? First, always check where the information comes from. Unless the source of information is certain, you should not believe it. Second, don't believe only one source. Try to compare different opinions. If you decide based on only one piece of information or one person's idea, you might fail to see the whole situation and lead to wrong conclusion. Lastly, when you see something incredible, search more and ask questions. People who keep asking questions can get closer to the truth.
In the future, we will live in an even more digital world. Fake news and AI-created contents will be everywhere. In that world, media literacy will be our eyes to find the truth. That is why we have to learn and grow this skill. It helps us to make good and smart choices in the confusing world.
Thank you!